Good morning students. Now today we will study chapter 6 sound unit 1. So in unit 1 we have to study about sound and its production and propagation. So what is sound? The first question arises is what is sound? So sound is an invisible energy. Sound is an invisible energy which causes in us sensation of hearing. Okay, so it is similar to the definition of light. Light is also an invisible energy which causes in us sensation of vision, and this sound is an invisible energy which causes in us sensation of hearing. Hearing means sunna. Okay, so this is sound. Now sound is actually dependent. Sound do not produce by its own. Sound needs a material medium. Okay, sound needs a medium to produce. Okay, sound needs a medium. Without medium we cannot heard sound. Sound needs a medium. Without medium we cannot heard the sound. Medium means what? Air, gases, okay, liquid, solid, all these are medium through which sound will propagate. Propagate means chalna. In science we will use the term propagate, chalne ko. Okay, so needs a medium to propagate. Sound needs a medium. So all these mediums needed for sound to propagate. Okay, so sound needs a medium to propagate. Now third is that sound produces because of vibrations. Okay, sound produces because of vibrations. If there is no vibration, that means no sound will produce. We will not able to hear a single note. Okay, if there is no vibration, so sound needs a sound produces because of vibrations, and sound needs a medium. All these things we will discuss with the experiment later on, but the most important thing is all these which I have explained here. Okay, this is the introductory part of the topic, sound. Okay, sound is an invisible energy which causes in us sensation of hearing. Second, sound needs a medium. Medium means solid, liquid, gas. Medium means solid, liquid, gas, okay, or air, like this. All these are the mediums which needed sound to propagate. Third, sound produces because of vibrations. Okay, now vibrations means there are two type of waves. Vibrations is produces because of the waves which propagate means two types of waves we have which propagate means क्या? चलना. बताया हमने दो तरह की वेव्स है जिसके कारण साउंड प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. ठीक है, साउंड क्या है? हमेशा दो तरह की वेव्स के कारण प्रोड्यूस होते हैं. ठीक है, जो वेव्स जो हम बोल रहे हैं दैट इज ऑल्सो अ वेव बिकॉज ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस वी आर स्पीकिंग. ओके, एंड इट इज द वेव which carried to your hear what I speak is dependent on two types of wave. The first one is longitudinal wave. Longitudinal wave. Okay, and second one is transverse wave. Okay, there are these two types of wave by which sound is produced, by which sound is propagated. First one is longitudinal wave, second one is transverse wave. So two types of wave by which sound is propagated. The first is known as by the name longitudinal wave and second is by the transverse wave. Okay, so अभी तक हमने क्या सुना, सीखा कि साउंड को क्या है, एक इनविजिबल एनर्जी माना जाता है जो कि हमें दिखाई नहीं देती, सिर्फ हम सुन सकते हैं। ओनली इट कॉजेज सेंसेशन ऑफ हियरिंग, सिर्फ हमें सुनाई पड़ता है। कैसे सुनाई पड़ता है, इसको चलने के लिए मीडियम की ज़रूरत है, प्रोपोगेट के लिए क्या है, मीडियम्स की ज़रूरत है। बिना मीडियम के साउंड हमें नहीं सुनाई पड़ेगा। ठीक है, मीडियम जैसे कि सॉलिड, लिक्विड, गैसेस, एयर, ये सब क्या है, मीडियम है। थर्ड हमने क्या सीखा कि साउंड क्या है, कैसे प्रोड्यूस होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस। जो वाइब्रेशन जो हम बोल रहे हैं ये भी क्या है, वाइब्रेशंस के कारण ही है जो कि हम बोल पा रहे हैं। जिनको क्या है प्रॉब्लम होती है, जो दोज हु आर डम एंड डफ, जो नहीं बोल पाते, उनको वाइब्रेशंस उनकी क्या है नहीं बन पाते हैं। दैट इज़ वाई दे डोंट एबल टू स्पीक। तो वाइब्रेशंस के ही कारण क्या है हम बोल पा रहे हैं, हम सुन पा रहे हैं। ठीक है, दो तरह की वेवों के बारे में हमने जाना, लॉन्गिट्यूडनल वेव एंड ट्रांसवर्स वेव। नाउ सी हियर longitudinal wave. Okay, longitudinal wave, longitudinal wave. Okay, see here how does it produce. It has see here, suppose this is the propagation of wave. Okay, direction of, this is the direction of sound wave, and here is particles 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, these are particles. Okay, particles. 1 2 3 and 4 are particles. Okay, so direction of sound wave, that means sound is propagating in this direction and this direction, sound is traveling in this direction and this direction. And what we are seeing, that the particles 1 2 3 4 particle we have taken, 1 2 3 and 4, and all these particle is also vibrating. This particle is also vibrating in this direction only. Oscillation, this is known as oscillation. Oscillation in direction of sound waves. Okay, oscillation in the direction of sound wave we are seeing. What we are seeing? We are seeing that the particles is vibrating in the direction of sound wave like this. Okay, so like this, this is the direction, like this sound wave is oscillating in this direction. Suppose अगर क्या है, longitudinal wave अगर ऐसे चल रही है, ये longitudinal wave है, मान लिया जाए कि ऐसे longitudinal wave चल रही, तो जो उसके बीच में particles हैं 2-3 जगह पे, वो भी क्या है ऐसे ही क्या है oscillate कर रहे हैं in the same direction. तो this type of wave is known as longitudinal wave. This type of wave is known as longitudinal wave. That means when a particle of a medium, the definition is of longitudinal wave is when a particle of a medium oscillate means like this zigzag motion, this is known as oscillate. When a particle of a medium oscillate in the direction of a sound propagation, then those type of waves is known as longitudinal wave. ठीक है, मतलब जब longitudinal wave जिस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो कर रही है उसी डायरेक्शन में क्या हो, पार्टिकल्स का भी क्या ऑसिलेशन उसी डायरेक्शन में हो, like in the same direction, then those type of waves is known as longitudinal waves. And longitudinal wave always forms what? Two types. Longitudinal wave forms compression and rarefactions. Okay, so during propagation they always form compression and rarefactions. Okay, that you will study in higher classes how compression and rarefactions form, but in here just you have to know that longitudinal is a kind of sound wave which propagates in the direction of sound propagation. That means which oscillate, the medium particles oscillate in the direction of sound propagation, and during the flow of oscillations, during the flow of longitudinal wave, it forms compression and rarefactions in its path. This much you have to know about the longitudinal wave. And longitudinal wave flows in all types of mediums. Okay, longitudinal wave, it can flow in all types of medium. In all types of medium we can find longitudinal wave, like solid, in liquid also, and in gases also. Okay, in solid, liquid and gases, in all three types of medium we can see that longitudinal wave can flow in every mediums. Okay, so this much we have to know about longitudinal wave. The second wave is known as transverse wave. Okay, the second wave is known as transverse wave. Okay, see here, transverse wave. Transverse wave means when a medium particle oscillate in right angle to the direction of flow of sound wave. That means this is the direction of sound propagation. Direction of sound propagation. Okay, this is the direction of sound propagation, and here we have medium particles 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. What they are? The medium particle. They oscillate in this direction. Okay, that means right angle to the direction of sound propagation. That means right angle to the medium particles oscillate in right angle to the sound propagation. Okay, then we can say that type of wave is transverse wave. When what happens? When medium particles, what happen? They oscillate at right angle, that means in up and down, right angle to the direction of flow of sound propagation. That means sound is propagating in this direction, and what happens? Medium particle is oscillating up and down, that means at right angle to the medium particles. Okay, 90 degree. This is the right angle. What happens here? This is the direction of flow of sound propagation, and this is the direction of medium particle oscillations. That means up and down. That is right angle to the sound propagation. That type of propagation is known as transverse wave. Okay, that type of propagation in a flow is known as transverse wave propagation. Okay, so in longitudinal wave what happens? Propagation happens in the direction of flow of sound propagation. जिस तरह साउंड प्रोपोगेट करेगी, जिस तरफ चलेगी, मीडियम पार्टिकल भी वैसे ही ऑसिलेट करेंगे. लेकिन ट्रांसवर्स वेव में क्या होता है? जिस तरफ साउंड प्रोपोगेट करेगी उससे 90 डिग्री बनाते हुए, राइट एंगल बनाते हुए क्या है? मीडियम पार्टिकल ऑसिलेट करेंगे. ठीक है, इस तरह के प्रोपोगेशन क्या बोले जाते हैं? ट्रांसवर्स वेव के प्रोपोगेशन. एंड लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल वेव अपने पाथ में क्या बनाते हैं? कंप्रेशन एंड रेयर फ्रैक्शंस. और ट्रांसवर्स वेव अपने पाथ में क्या बनाते हैं? क्रस्ट एंड ट्रफ. ओके, इट फॉर्म्स क्रस्ट एंड ट्रफ. It forms crust and trough in its path. Okay, crust and trough, how this crust and trough forms, and that compression and rare fraction forms, that you will study in your higher classes. That means in your 9th and 10th or maybe some more above level. But just for your information I am telling you, it is not written in your book. It is not written, just for a knowledge. I am telling you that transverse wave form crust and trough in its path, and longitudinal wave form compression and rare fraction in its path. ओके, इट इज इसका भी डायग्राम होता है, कैसे बनते हैं वो अभी आपको जानने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपके लेवल का स्टैंडर्ड का नहीं है वो. ठीक है, खाली आपको क्या है ये देखना है कि ये कैसे फ्लो करता है. एंड ट्रांसफर वेव्स फ्लो इन अ मीडियम पार्टिकल, साउंड, लिक्विड, गैसेस. ओके, सो दिस इज अबाउट द waves. Now we have to study that vibration causes sound propagation. There is an experiment given in the book. Okay, of vibration are the cause of sound. Vibration are the cause of sound. Vibration are cause of sound. Okay, in this we have a experiment. On this we will have a experiment given in book. Okay, so what is that experiment? That experiment is that we will have a, suppose this is the table, suppose this is a table. Okay, and on this table we will have a ruler, sorry, this is the ruler. Okay, this is known as ruler or scale. Okay, it is fixed from here, it is fixed here. Okay, fixed or pivoted by brick or something else. Okay, it is fixed from here. Now what happens when we will press it down here? When we will push it down here, what happens? It will vibrate. When we will push here, what happens? The scale will vibrate like this. Okay, and when it will vibrate faster, we will heard a little humming sound. Okay, we will heard a little humming sound. So that humming sound is produced because of vibrations. Okay, हमने क्या किया? एक टेबल पे एक स्केल को रख दिया, उसको एक तरफ से पत्थर या फिर उसको क्या किया, किसी कीले विले से किसी भी चीज़ से उसको फिक्स कर दिया एक पॉइंट में, और दूसरी तरफ से हमने क्या, दूसरे एंड में क्या किया, उसको खूब जोर से उसको हमने हिलाया, तो वो क्या हुआ, वो वाइब्रेट करने लगा ऐसे 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 ऐसे। तो जब वो वाइब्रेट करने लगा तो उसके वाइब्रेशन से क्या हुआ, एक हमिंग साउंड लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ साउंड वी विल हर्ड। ओके, हमिंग साउंड। तो वो कैसे प्रोड्यूस हुई? बिकॉज ऑफ वाइब्रेशन। सो दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट प्रूव्स दैट वाइब्रेशन आर द कॉज ऑफ साउंड। ओके, सो इट इज वेरी सिंपल एक्सपेरिमेंट which proves that vibration are the cause of sound. Next we have to study about tuning fork. Okay, tuning fork we have to study. So tuning fork, see here, this is handle and this is known as what? Prongs. Okay, this is known as prongs of tuning fork. It is something like tuning fork. Okay, tuning fork, it is something like tuning forks. The two of its arm is known by the name of prong, and the downwards is known as handle. Okay, or stem. Okay, so this is the tuning fork. It is the construction diagram of tuning fork. Maybe possible you all have seen in lab somewhere, if you have seen. Okay, so this is tuning fork. We will have an experiment with tuning fork. That sound produces by tuning fork is due to the vibration of prongs. That we will study in our next video. Okay, till here you will study and read the chapter attentively. Thank you.